offshore established.
Radio check. Loud and clear.
Begin ascent procedures. Move with precision. Move that spreader now. We're running behind.
Sequence 4 is clear. Bring it up.
Bridge, confirm ROV umbilical is secure. Over. Bridge, this is the captain. All lines are clear. Take her to the fairway. Roger, Captain. Helm is responding. Engine room, slow ahead.
That pressure line will shut down the cranes. We divert south immediately.
Confirmed, Captain. We'll launch the sonar sweeps ahead of schedule before the swells arrive.
Bridge, this is the survey room. Sonar array is active, beginning the first pass of the grid now.
The structure is resting on its side. It's heavily silted and compromised.
Confirmed. We need to shift the strategy immediately.
Dive team, verify umbilical routing is clear. Crane control, set heave compensation to active.
All clear, Captain. Heave comp active and online.
Launch count, 3, 2, 1. Clear the deck.
Tether tension holding steady. ROV is active.
Depth approaching 1,500 meters. Heading steady at 045, compensating for 2 knots of current shear. Approaching the debris field now.
What looks like a wrecked shell still carries usable load paths. The challenge now is identifying which structural members...
Outer plating compromised, but the internal truss remains protected.
Confirmed. Unexpected strength in the core. Relay that to the deck team.
The buried mooring collar and swivel assembly are acting as a partial anchor. A vertical pull risks catastrophic tear out.
Okay, hit that upper seam again. We need clear visuals on the bolt pattern.
Copy that. Annotating steel loss on gantry route B now.
The synchronized dual crane lift minimizes the risk from the off-center flood.
But the pendulum effect at breakthrough is too high. We use the bags and cut the suction.
Confirming the load tree sequence. Whoa! Shackle pin is secure, ready for the tagline. All right, move it out.
Confirming aggressive descent profile, pilot. Watch the starboard umbilical.
Roger that. Threading the needle now. Cutters are live.
Recovery checklist, station 4. Snag hazards clear?
Affirmative. Visual on slings.
We're seeing initial movement on the starboard side. Depth check.
Roger, 450 meters. Acknowledged. Maintain positive tension.
Easy on the tension, coming up to the aperture now.
Steady as she goes, pilot. We have visual confirmation of the thread. Tension holding.
Every deep lift begins with trust in joints you cannot physically touch. That trust only comes from geometry.
Clearance reading 12 inches. Tension at 50 tons. Aft stress stable. Port clearance 10 inches.
Restraints confirmed. They will not carry the primary weight, but are essential for damping rotation as the ascent begins.
Tension at 50%, holding steady.
Watch the rotation on the starboard side. Easy now.
We have breakthrough on the suction lock. Strain holding steady at 90,000.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
We are fully separated. Maintain position.
Confirmed. Loads are balancing out.
Running final diagnostics on the frame structure now. Control, we are clear of the seabed. Ascent initiated.
Roger that, team. T-minus 2 minutes to the first marker tone. We have localized flex at the forward hardpoint. Reviewing the data now.
Confirmed. No tearing detected on the main spar. Copy that. Engaging trim on the starboard side. We are stable.
Water doesn't stop being an engineering factor just because the wreck is off the bottom. In mid-water, current...
Cut is complete. Section is free.
Copy that, ROV. Confirm release.
The boom is rotated. That's an aft mast shift. We need an immediate crane trim adjustment.
Acknowledged. Updating the geometry now.
Brace for emergence. All hands secure. We're getting wave slap. Watch the buoyancy. Keep the tension on the main line.
That's a heavy burst from compartment 4.
Acknowledged. We're showing a rapid buoyancy increase. Monitor the ascent rate closely.
Watch the cables. Keep clear of the swing zone.
Hold steady. We have alarms on the motion system. Hold her steady. Watch the swing on the starboard side. Give me 5 feet up on the main hoist.
Crane 1, slow lower, 5 degrees starboard.
Steady, easy on the aft cradle.
Hold that line. We have contact.
Copy that, Crane 1. We are making contact on Cradle 4. Confirmed alignment check. Laser read stable. Continue lowering sequence slowly.
Temporary reinforcement is about protecting load paths during transition, not beautifying damage. On salvage deck.
All right, take the strain. Easy on the release. Bring that shackle clear for tagging and inspection.
Watch the heel data, mister. We are taking heavy seas.
Engine room, status report on the ballast tanks. We are approaching limits.
Clear. Clear. All right, Cap, bring her steady at 2 knots. Copy that, increasing RPM slightly on the stern. Steady now, easy on the lift.
Counting it down. 1, 2, 3.
Clear on the rail, keep it coming up.
Easy now, easy. Bring it down another foot. Watch your clearance on the left.
We have positive contact on Saddle Charlie. You are clear to set the load.
Recovery is never just about lifting steel. Industrial salvage also means identifying residual...
Convoy approaching waypoint Charlie. Confirming path is clear past the blast shed. Over.
Roger that, looking good. Keep her crawling.
Easy now. Bring her left, slow down on the starboard side. Watch the clearance overhead.
We're designating this beam red. It's too compromised for reconstruction.
What about the lower section?
It's marginal. We'll mark it yellow, but the stress fractures are significant.
The recovery mission is concluded. Authority transfers to the rebuild phase.
Acknowledged, Commander. We're moving ahead with the renewal schedule immediately.
All right, team, final safety brief. Pressure wash sequence starting on the north wall. Maintain containment protocols and report any breaches immediately. Over.
Clear, move to the next section.
Levels are stable, LEL at 0. Atmosphere is clear.
Roger that. Continue ventilation to the lower section.
Log this as sample 4B, heavy residue.
Cross-referencing with the diagram now. The corrosion is worse than expected here.
Grand plan. Restoration often begins by removing more than you save. The purpose isn't destruction. Use controlled subtraction.
Reading on the outer flange is down to 3 millimeters. Severe localized pitting.
Copy that. The interior webs are holding strong though. The restoration plan is viable.
Steady on the line, mate. We're almost through this section.
Copy. Looking good from here.
Documenting bent gussets, detached stiffeners, failed weld toes, and sediment-packed cable trays inside the station's core.
The stress analysis suggests sistering this section might be sufficient.
Yes, but we need to verify the weld procedures for the new alloy first.
Clear! Ten thousandths, 20, 30. All right, hold it right there. Let's check the laser. Maintain sequence B2. Amperage needs to hold at 210. Looking good. That's the revised specification for the manhole placement. We need it flush. Okay, I'm setting the magnet now. How does that look?
Hold it there, a little to the left.
Okay, we're lined up. Go ahead and pin it.
Restoration quality often lives in places the finished eye might never notice.
We've got 0.03 on the seam. All right, send it home. Hit that wedge again.
Phase 2 welding is approved for Quadrant 3. Repeat, Quadrant 3.
In sections of retained steel where pitting is deep but not structurally fatal, American metalworkers excavate corrosion pockets.
Fit and clearance look good on this ladder section. Moving to the upper deck now. What are we reading? Right at the mark. Looks good. Keep going.
Confirming frame 7-7.
Panel ID 04 engaged. Clear to weld.
Look at this scoring. She's totally hosed. That bearing cage is shot straight to the boneyard.
No salvaging this shaft. Tag it for replacement.
Next, install the directional control valve. Torque the bolts to the specified setting, 95 inch-pounds, then verify the flushing sequence.
Mechanical restoration is where visual progress finally turns into operational capability. A platform can look...
We're within tolerance. Go ahead and secure the clamps. That fit up is true. Continuity check is good on the main run. Secure it.
Copy that. Moving to the next tray.
Panel 4B, check the wiring harness connection.
Got it. Routing to position 7.
Beacon energized. Looks good from here.
Confirm. Switching to standby power now.
The flow meter is reading low. Let's verify the K factor against the spec sheet before we finalize the calibration.
Aligning P3. Keep that cap on until we're seated.
Roger that. Making final adjustments now.
Hold it right there. We've got a seep on the manifold. Bleed it down.
Copy that. Dropping pressure.
Control, this is deck safety. Water flow and pressure are optimal. Patterns acquired. Over.
Testing motion after rebuild is never ceremonial. Every powered movement checks alignment, pressure stability.
All right, partial load engaged. Hit the brake. Engaging now. Check the tension. Holding steady. Looks good. According to the schematic, this line connects to the main sanitary pump. All right, let's get it tightened down before the next shift arrives. Keep the pressure steady on the starboard side. Watch that high voltage stencil.
Hazard zone entry point 5. Route the fuel line identifier here and double check the egress arrow alignment.
The interlock on the transfer arm is red. We have a fault.
I'm initiating the bypass sequence now. It's clearing.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shutdown complete.
Control, this is Zone 4. We have confirmed leak detection and the automatic isolation sequence is complete. Resetting for the next test.
All right, bring it down slow.
Deflection is minimal at point 4.
Confirmed. Gauge reading matches the laser target.
Payout tension steady at 500 psi.
Brake hold is solid. Drum alignment looks good. Noted.
Commissioning is where restoration stops being a construction project and becomes an operating system.
Main hydraulics online, pressure nominal.
Central, this is Alpha 1. Backup generator synchronized and online. Essential loads transferred and stable. Test complete.
Check the pressure on bearing housing 3.
It's holding steady, but the vibration is spiking here.
Traceability is solid, and the NDT reports match the tags. We're clear for sign-off.
Agreed. Looks stronger than new. Ballast level at 82%, holding steady. Approaching 100%.
System confirms integrity. Ready for deflood.
Bring her down easy. Watch the clearance on the port side.
Looks good, Foreman.
All right, lock it in.
Bridge, this is Control. Comms check 1, proceeding to emergency announcement test.
Control, reading you 5x5, clear.
Attention, attention, this is communication system test. All circuits verified.
We need final confirmation on the mechanical and environmental gates.
They were closed this morning. The structural analysis is complete.
Verified. All gates are passed. Let's sign the approval.
Confirmation on the lux levels. We are well within safety parameters.
Noted. The floodlights are performing optimally.
Clear that walkway now.
Watch out, coming through with the bin.
Almost done with the hose over here.
Take up the slack on the port side, slowly now.
Center line is good, trim is stable, we are green for the sequence, ballast is cycling.
Roger, ease her in. Readiness reviews matter because deployment is unforgiving. Once the platform is back in the marine environment, every incomplete...
Make sure the isolation valves are logged correctly.
Roger that. And confirm the flow rate on this seawater pump.
Draft mark steady at the 15-meter line. Hull seams look good, no signs of seepage. Over. Stern ballast calling, we have separation. Keep flooding at 5,000 gallons per minute.
Roger that, holding steady.
Route is clear, weather holding steady.
Copy that.
Tension stable on the bridle. Bridge, FFS-1, trim is stable at 2 degrees stern.
Roger that. FFS-1, maintain course 090.
Tension on the primary line is holding steady.
We are approaching the mooring point, all systems green.
Acknowledged. Stern line tension holding steady against the current. Bridge, this is deck. Hookup is complete and verified. Requesting system activation sequence.
Stab the pin, let's go. Get that connected now.
Pin is set, boss.
All right, easy tension on the winch. Bring it up to pressure.
Deployment is where controlled shop certainty meets offshore reality. A platform isn't truly back until its systems perform.
Clear on the starboard side, you are clear to proceed. Roger that, arms extending smoothly, keep calling the distance.
Bridge, approach is good. Standing by with a forward spring. Heave the line, take the slack on the winch.
Sustained flow continues. Pressure and temperature stable within margins. Adjusting pump speed slightly to compensate for the swell.
Operational return is proven by workload, not appearance. Once product starts moving safely through rebuilt systems and...
Radio check, station control.
Read you 5x5, Alpha, confirming line integrity.
Bravo team, standing by on E-stop.
Station keeping looks good. We are commencing the fuel transfer now. Maintain pressure at 80 psi. Bridge, we need immediate adjustment on the heading. The chop is increasing. Repeat, increasing. Maintain pressure on the lines.
Greasing complete on joint 4. No leaks detected on the weep seals.
Moving to log validation. Vessel 1, you are clear to depart. Vessel 2, approach the fenders slowly. All stations maintain communication discipline. Keep the pressure steady on line 3.
Acknowledged, maintaining flow.
Spacing check, starboard side clear.
Perpetual operations are measured by repeatability. When a platform can sustain crew turnover, maintenance, change...
Alpha team, move to the muster point now.
Control, Alpha team is responding to the transfer side incident. All systems nominal.
I need eyes on that shutdown verification. Acknowledge.
Trend data looks solid. Stable temperatures across the board.
Good. No progressive leakage. Watch your feet up there.
Alpha platform confirms full manifold pressure. All stations report green. Transfer proceeding as planned. Over. Alpha team, secure the forward deck. Bravo, monitor the fenders. Control room, confirm transfer rates are adjusted. Transfer corridor remains disciplined. Log update complete, commencing watch rotation.
Visibility dropping. Keep an eye on the pressure.
All right, the filters and the 15 weights are coming up now. Got it, looks good. Bring it across.
Monitor the pressure on the transfer arm junction. Keep the flow steady.
Copy that. Adjusting the valve.
And that's how the abandoned floating fuel station was recovered from the depths, restored with precision, and returned to